Hello to the schools out there. My name is Ross and I deal in four-letter words like POPI and GDPR. I'm a cybersecurity and privacy specialist and I'm looking to help you comply with POPI, or what is now known as POPIA. There is a common misconception that POPIA compliance comes either from the marketing department or the IT department, and this couldn't be further from the truth. POPIA compliance goes from the bottom of the school right the way up to the top, and the buck stops at the top. It's important that you are active in your compliance with POPI, considering that the deadline for compliance to POPI is now on the 30th of June 2021, and there is a lot of work to do. In order to help you with this, I, in conjunction with D6, have got a series of workshops where we will teach you about compliance and what to do as a school to bring your compliance up to standard. If you don't comply, you run the risk of civil actions, fines, and other administrative penalties. So I look forward to having you join our workshops. Please keep an eye out for the marketing coming from D6, and we will see you soon and help you comply. Till then.